Welcome everyone. Thank you for being here. I'm really excited that you've joined me on this amazing new way of running workshops. So thank you for being here. And I really want to acknowledge you for being so courageous, because, you know, stepping into the realms of Tantra, you are a spiritual warrior. So you are moving away from the ordinary, the mundane, into the realms of the extraordinary, into the realms of divine communion. So I invite you now to welcome each other. Since this is a couple workshop, just welcome each other. And if you are in a different room from your beloved because of the corona, you might be in different parts of the country or countries. If you are here as my assistant and you wish to work with the tulku, with your ideal other, then please do that. Welcome and namaste and acknowledge each other. Great. And now just really take the time to look at each other. And I invite you to bring beginner's mind. You may have seen this amazing divine being that is sitting with you many times this lockdown. You may have been living with them for 35 years or more, and maybe it's the first time. I invite you to bring beginner's mind by looking at them really anew, with an awe, with an inquiry for who is really sitting in front of me. And you don't know the answer to that. Allow whatever is there to unfold through this process as we're stepping into a new realm of the divine. And as you look at them, I invite you to look through the left eye, your own left eye, into the left eye of the beloved, which is on your right. And just looking into the eye of the beloved. The practice of Tantric, the gazing, where you allow yourself to become one with the subject that you are observing. Looking at the eye of the beloved, or the eye of the tulku. Ultimately, they are reflecting who you really are. You're gazing onto the beloved. Is your offering to see them as a divine incarnation. Of the God, Goddess. And take a deep breath in. And raise your hands to bring your palms in front of your heart chakra. Still looking at that one-eyed God, Goddess. And with exhalation, just bow down. As you raise your head, breathing in, you're really offering your blessing. You're seeing them as a divine incarnation. It is you who creating them, the God, Goddess. And then rolling your fingers down into inscribing a shape of a heart over your heart chakra.
Kalyan Swarup Shiv.
And opening your hands as if though you're opening a new leaf in the book of your life, a new leaf in the book of your relationship.
हिमाचल के ही समान गौर वर्ण और गंभीर शिव सुशोभित
I invite you to carry on looking at your beloved and just notice and consider the possibility that you may not really know who they are,
शोभायमान हो रहे हैं
and they may not know who you really are.
सगुण रूप में शिव बड़े मानवीय हैं.
At times it may feel as if though we don't even know who we are ourselves.
सुंदर भ्रिकुटी विशाल नेत्र.
And we're really exploring who could we be? Who do we choose to be?
सदा दयालु.
Much more honoring and nourishing to our soul to see each other as a divine incarnation of the God, Goddess. It is in our eyes that they show up like that. It is our creation. As we're moving in from the realms of the mundane, the ordinary, into the realm of magical living, into the realm of the ecstatic communion. We are the soulmates, that we are connected to all that is. A timeless heart connection with our love partner. In this realm, we are no longer our identities, personalities. We are the God and Goddess. We are the creators of our own universe. Our own universe. We are the conscious creators of our reality. We are the magicians, playing, bending realities. And we harness the powers of love for the benefit of all sentient beings. So I invite you to really look at the other person, your beloved. In a celebration, they chose to be here with you. And looking at them, you might see glimpses of some ancient statue, as if though their faces are sculpted in marble, stone. glimpses from
और
other
निर्गुण रूप से
lifetimes.
मेरी ही आत्मा, मेरा ही शुद्धमय है शिव। ओम नमः शिवाय।
Remember always, whenever your mind meander,
शिवाय।
to go back
इस एक मंत्र से हमने सगुण रूप शिव की उपासना की,
reminding yourself that they
और
are
निर्गुण रूप
your God, Goddess.
आत्मीय शिव का भी ध्यान किया।
And some of you are
आपका
teachers of
आपको
spirituality
प्रणाम।
or Tantra yourselves, so thank you for being
जीव
here.
रूप शिव, ब्रह्म रूप शिव को
And
नमन
thank you
करता
for
है।
suspending your
यूं
judgments
कहें,
and
आत्मा रूप शिव
comparisons and mind
अपनी ही
chatter,
आत्मा को प्रणाम करता है।
the mantras in the background, that conscious mantra that we choose to focus on is far better than the mind chatter.
इस मंत्र में प्रवेश करने के लिए
Mantra means quiet mind.
अब आप आंखें बंद करें,
So,
होठों पर मुस्कान,
welcome.
रीढ़ की हड्डी सीधी, हाथ
Let's take a deep breath in.
अथवा योग मुद्रा।
Deep breath in.
भाव करें
Great. And release.
शिव का ही है